I have to make it squeaky. So right now I have hiccups and just thought it'd be a funny idea to record me because I can't get rid of them. And I try to lay down, I try to drink water, and but nothing's working. So now my muscles are just spasming like crazy. Let's see if it happens again. It's like trying to catch it. There it is.
Now they're like double jacking.
Jess said it's the most ridiculous hiccup she's ever heard in her entire life. This is the way I hiccup. Okay,
It's just
people?
the most dramatic.
Okay, people. It's like a Broncos bucking. Except for like you feel good for a couple seconds, like, hey, I'm not hiccuping again, and there it is. And like it just comes back, and you're just like, I hate this so much.
We're just gonna film until you stop.
Don't do that. That's weird. People out there in the TV, YouTube land are going to be like, WTF, why is he still hiccuping? Why doesn't he just get rid of it? I've tried. Everything. Text your comments in and tell me what I can do to get rid of this
You
junk.
can start taking bets on when you'll stop.
Ugh.
Why are they
I don't know why they're double
doubling
teaming
up?
it. Double team. I don't know. Okay, stop recording. Let me go lay back down and see if I can get rid of this crap.
Doo-doo.
That's stupid. Shut up.
What's the noise? Bing!
Press it.
Bing!
Stop doing that. Press the button.
Bing! Bing! Bing!